Dear friends, with this episode, we are going to discuss carbon and its compounds. This episode is very helpful for 10th class students, especially, and also helpful for other chemistry students also. Instead of gaining or losing electrons, carbon shares its 4 electrons with another element or carbon to form molecule. Carbon is so important that it is found in every living and dead thing. Carbon is most abundant element in the universe. Nearly 20% of your body contains carbon. Carbon is found in four major forms, that is graphite, diamond, fluorine and newly discovered graphene in 2004. Covalent bonds are formed as a result of sharing of electrons. Example H2O2 N2. Covalent compounds have low melting point and boiling point due to small intermolecular forces. H2 forms by sharing valence electrons, one per atom of H, and produce single bond between two hydrogen atoms. O2 forms by sharing valence electrons, 2 per atom of O, and produce double bond between two oxygen atoms. N2 forms by sharing valence electrons, 3 per atom of N, and produce triple bond between two nitrogen atoms. Methane CH4 is simple carbon compounds and used as a fuel on large scale and also a major component of CNG compressed natural gas. Methane formed due to sharing of 4 valence electrons of carbon with 4 hydrogen atoms. Allotropes of carbon. Carbon have 3 allotropes, that is diamond, graphite and fluorine. Diamond formed due to rigid three-dimensional structure of carbon atoms because each carbon atom bonded to another 4 carbon atoms. It is hardest substance. Graphite. Graphite formed due to presence of hexagonal array layer above one another and layer of hexagonal array formed because each carbon atom bonded to another 3 carbon atoms with 2 single and 1 double bond. It is smooth, slippery and very good conductor of electricity. Fullerenes. Fullerenes C60 are also an allotrope of carbon in which carbon atoms are arranged in football-like shape. Versatile nature of carbon. Carbon shows versatile nature because it has two characteristics features which are catenation and tetravalency. These both features give large number of compounds. Catenation. Catenation is the property of carbon atom to form bond with one to bond with other carbon atoms to produce large molecules. I repeat again, catenation is the property of carbon atom to form bond with other atom to form to produce large molecules. Catenation produces large long chain, branched chain, ring structures. Compounds with single bonds are known as saturated compounds, while compounds with double or triple bonds are known as unsaturated compounds. Tetravalency. Property of carbon atom to form 4 bonds with other atoms of carbon or other elements is known as tetravalency, as carbon have 4 valence electrons. Saturated and unsaturated compounds. Saturated carbon compounds. Carbon compounds containing single bond is called saturated carbon compounds. Example ethane C2H6. Unsaturated carbon compounds. Carbon compounds containing double or triple bond is called unsaturated carbon compounds. Example, ethene C2H4. Chains, branched and rings. Carbon is the element which forms chains, branches and rings in its structure. First we try to understand chains. Carbons have property to form chains. When one carbon atom attaches to another carbon atom like chains. Example, ethane C2H6, propane C3H8, butane C4H10, pentane C5H12, hexane C6H14. Branches. Carbon forms branches when one or two carbon atoms attach to carbon chain. Example, butane. Rings. Carbon forms rings when all carbon atoms attach to one another, means first carbon chain atoms attach to last carbon chain atom, giving ring structure. Example, cyclohexane C6H12, benzene C6H6, alkane, alkene, alkynes. As we know, hydrocarbons are the carbon compounds containing carbon and hydrogen. Alkanes. Saturated hydrocarbons containing single bonds are known as alkanes. Example, ethane C2H6. Alkene. Unsaturated hydrocarbons containing double bonds are known as alkenes. Example, ethene C2H4. Alkyne. Unsaturated hydrocarbons containing triple bonds are known as alkynes. Example, ethine C2H2. Chemistry of bonding between carbon and other atoms. Some elements like halogens, sulfur, oxygen, nitrogen replaces hydrogen from carbon compounds. These elements which replaces hydrogen are called as heteroatom. These heteroatoms may be present in single or group forms and gives specific property to carbon compound and called as functional group. Functional group attached to carbon compound by replacing hydrogen atom. List of functional groups. Heteroatom chlorine bromine iodine. Functional group halo chloro bromo ido. Formula of functional group ClBrI. Oxygen. Functional group alcohol. Formula of functional group OH. Aldehyde CHO. Ketone CO. Carboxylic acid COOH. Homologous series. When same functional group is present on carbon chains of varying length, such series of carbon compounds is known as homologous series. Example, chemical properties of CH3OH, C2H5OH, C3H7OH and C4H9OH are very similar. Nomenclature of carbon compounds. To name any carbon compound, just follow below steps. Step 1. Calculate number of carbon atoms in carbon compound. For example, if carbon atom or carbon compound have one carbon atom, then use prefix meth. I repeat, if carbon compound have one carbon atom, then use prefix meth. If carbon compound have two carbon atoms, then use prefix eth. If carbon compound have three carbon atoms, then use prefix prop. For 4 carbon atoms, but. For 5 carbon atom, pent. For 6 carbon atom, hex. For 7 carbon atom, hept. For 8 carbon atom, oct. For 9 carbon atom, non. For 10 carbon atom, dac. For 11, undac. For 12, dodac. For 13, tridac. for 14 tetradiec, for 15 pentadiec, for 20 eocos, for 30 triacont, for 40 tetracont, for 50 pentacont, and so on. Example: what is the name of CH4C2H6? Number of carbon atom in CH4 is 1, so use meth, and it is alkane, so use ANE, so its name is methane. Similarly, number of carbon atoms in C2H6 is 2, so use eth, and it is alkane, so use ANE, so its name is ethane. Step 2. If functional group is present in carbon compound, then it is indicated by adding a prefix or a suffix for it, as shown in below table. You can find this table from our website www.chemistrynotesinfo.com. Functional group: halogen, prefix, suffix, prefix chloro, bromo, etc. Example: chloropropane, bromopropane. Functional group: alcohol, suffix -ol. Example: propanol. Functional group: aldehyde, suffix -al. Example: propanol. Functional group: ketone, suffix -on. Example: propanon. Functional group: carboxylic acid, suffix oic acid. Example: propanoic acid. Double bond: alkenes, suffix ene, in. Example: propene. Triple bond: alkynes, suffix yne, yne. Example: propine. Step 3. If functional group is a suffix, then remove e from carbon chain name and add suffix. Example: propanon, propane plus one, where propane comes from propane, e and on comes from ketone. Step 4. If the carbon compound is unsaturated, then ane from the name is replaced by ene or by yne for double or triple bonds respectively. Means ene for double bond, yne for triple bond. Chemical properties of carbon compounds. Carbon compounds show different chemical properties, and some of them are as follows, which we are going to discuss. First, combustion. Carbon burns in the presence of air, oxygen, to produce carbon dioxide, CO2, heat and light. This reaction is oxidation reaction. Saturated hydrocarbons gives clean flame, while unsaturated hydrocarbon give yellow flame with too much black smoke. Example: C plus O2, CO2 plus heat plus light, CH4 plus O2, CO2 plus H2O plus heat plus light, CH3, CH2OH plus O2, CO2, H2O heat plus light. Oxidation. Removal of electron is called oxidation. Burning of fuel or carbon compounds is complete oxidation, but we can also see some incomplete oxidation in chemistry of carbon compounds. Oxidizing agents have the ability to add the oxygen to other substances. Let's understand it with following equation or reaction. CH3CH2OH plus alkaline KMnO4 plus heat, or acidified K2Cl2O7 plus heat gives CH3COOH. Acidified potassium dichromate or alkaline potassium permanganate is example of oxidizing agents. Additional reaction. Addition reaction are the reactions in which hydrogen is added at double bond or triple bond in unsaturated hydrocarbons in the presence of catalyst like nickel, palladium. R2C double bond Cr2 plus H2 plus nickel catalyst gives R2CH CHR2. Hydrogenation of vegetable oils with nickel as a catalyst. Substitution reaction. Substitution reactions are the reaction in which hydrogen atom is replaced by other elements CH4 plus Cl2 plus sunlight, CH3Cl plus HCl. Some important carbon compounds: ethanol and ethanoic acid. Ethanol C2H5OH and ethanoic acid CH3COOH are very valuable carbon compounds. Ethanol and its properties. Ethanol C2H5OH is liquid at room temperature with melting point 156 Kelvin and boiling point 351 Kelvin. Ethanol is present in all alcoholic drinks and soluble in water. Ethanol is good solvent, so used in many medicines preparation. You can also download these notes in the PDF forms from our website www.chemistrynotesinfo.com. Reactions of ethanol. Reaction with sodium. When sodium is added to ethanol, it produces sodium ethoxide and hydrogen gas. 2Na plus 2C2H5OH gives 2C2H5O minus plus Na plus H2O. So when two molecules of sodium reacts with two molecules of ethanol, it gives two molecules of sodium ethoxide plus hydrogen gas. Reaction to produce unsaturated hydrocarbon. When we heat ethanol at 443 Kelvin in the presence of excess concentrated sulfuric acid H2SO4 produces ethene due to dehydration of ethanol. CH3CH2OH plus hot concentrated sulfuric acid gives CH2 double bond CH2 plus H2O. Concentrated sulfuric acid acts as a dehydrating agent as it removes water from ethanol. What is denatured alcohol? So answer to this question is ethanol alcohol is used on large scale in industries as solvent. So to avoid any misuse of ethanol, we add some poisonous substances like methanol in it and also add some dyes to provide blue color. This type of alcohol is known as denatured alcohol. Another question asked generally is alcohol used as fuel? Answer: yes. As alcohol like ethanol on burning in sufficient air gives energy plus carbon dioxide plus water. Ethanoic acid and its properties. Ethanoic acid is also known as acetic acid. It belongs to carboxylic acid weak acid group. Vinegar is prepared from 5 to 8% solution of acetic acid in water. Vinegar is used on large scale for preparation of pickles, achar. Chemical formula of ethanoic acid is CH3COOH. Reaction of ethanoic acid. Esterification reaction. Ester is produced when ethanoic acid get react with the absolute alcohol, and acid catalyst is used to catalyze this reaction. CH3COOH ethanoic acid plus C2H5OH ethanol plus acid catalyst gives CH3COO C2H5 ester. Ester gives sweet smells, and esters are used for many purposes like in making perfumes, flavoring agents, etc. On treating ester with sodium hydroxide solution, alkali produces sodium salt of carboxylic acid and alcohol. This reaction is called as saponification reaction, as this reaction is used in the preparation of soap. CH3COO C2H5 plus NaOH gives CH3COO Na plus C2H5OH. Reaction of ethanoic acid with base. Ethanoic acid reacts with sodium hydroxide base to produce water and salt. Sodium ethanoate, also known as sodium acetate. Reaction is as follows. CH3COOH plus NaOH gives H2O plus CH3COO Na. Reaction of ethanoic acid with carbonates. Ethanoic acid and carbonate reacts to produce carbon dioxide, water and salt. This salt is commonly known as sodium acetate. 2CH3COOH plus Na2CO3 gives CO2 plus H2O plus 2CH3CONa. Reaction of ethanoic acid with hydrogen carbonates. Ethanoic acid and hydrogen carbonates reacts to produce carbon dioxide, water and salt. This salt is commonly known as sodium acetate. CH3COOH plus NaHCO3 gives CO2 plus H2O plus CH3COONa. Soap and detergents. First we try to understand what is soap. Soap is used for cleaning purpose. As we know, most dirt contains oil. So this dirt does not easily remove and also do not easily dissolve in water. Soap molecules are potassium and sodium salt of long chain of carboxylic acids. Ionic end of soap is hydrophilic, so dissolves in water, but long carbon chain is hydrophobic, so dissolve in oil. In this way, soap molecule form a structure. This structure is named as micelles. To form micelles, hydrophobic end attached to dirt or oil droplet and hydrophilic end faces outside. This activity creates emulsion in water. These micelles make dirt or oil droplet to dissolve in water and at last wash out, and as a result we get clothes cleaned. Detergents. Detergent is also used for cleaning purpose. Soaps are not very effective in hard water, but detergents are very effective in hard water. Detergent molecules are sulfonate or ammonium salt of long chain of carboxylic acid. You can download all notes from our Telegram channel at the rate Chemistry Notes Info. Do subscribe our podcast and also subscribe our YouTube channel and visit our website www.chemistrynotesinfo to get all chemistry stuff. Thank you to listening this podcast.